Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life, and
me, Linda.
Today in this video we wanted to share with you all the process of the moulding for my new artificial eye, don't we, Mum?
We really did. We just thought it'd be lovely to take everyone along on the journey for the different
stages
of making your new artificial eye.
I know, it's really exciting. Bit nervous as well, but we thought taking you all along with us will take my mind off it as well.
That's it. And understandably to be a bit nervous too.
We thought first of all we'll share with you all what we did the day before.
I think that's a great idea.
The lovely food, awesome junkies.
Oh, that was amazing.
And of course going to Bird and Blend too.
Oh, we've got to go to Bird and Blend when we go to Manchester.
Absolutely.
Stop for a minute. Stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute who you want to be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, knowing to talk and when to shut your mouth. Feel so
At Wholesome Junkies for a delicious dinner.
and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it. Go, go, go. Running to better times. Go, go, go. From my emotions, I'll go, go, go. Running to better times. 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 To better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took.
Just leaving the hotel to go and get breakfast.
Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warmth, laughs and cries, you have it. The world goes by, and by the time it does.
We're at half dozen other. Their vegan pastries and coffees are delicious.
Waiting for me or you will miss it if you don't care.
Lovely taste of cinnamon.
It's absolutely wonderful. Lovely and flaky too. You could have the vegan hot chocolate first.
That's what I'm going to try first as well. Is it good?
The rose, raspberry and lychee croissant.
Give it a bite just to make sure.
All the flavours go so well together. And especially the white chocolate as well. And the cinnamon bun latte is lovely too.
The chai's really good. Didn't
That's
try
great.
The chai?
Yes, please. Ooh, it's really good. That's a strong, but not too strong.
No, just right.
Oh,
The filling looks amazing.
filling's incredible.
Should we enjoy them? It's good to see your face enjoying it as well.
An absolute vegan croissant. We wanted to let you all know that this part of the video is my moulding, which
does involve putting, as they call it, the tray over your microphthalmic eye, and then it's like injecting some silicone in order to take the impression, doesn't it?
it does.
It was really lovely that they had this room available. They call it the VIP room.
Very nice.
Just because it's bigger. But this is where a lot of the work's done, making the eye as well, isn't it?
It is. It's interesting to know how it's going to be done.
That's it. It was really good to be able to have the talk through with what each appointment's going to be.
If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave.
That's all done now. I'm back in a few weeks for the next part.
I know. And it was so strange as well for the moulding to be purple, not yellow.
That's it. It was your face when they said, so what they use for the moulding is purple.
And I thought it was so strange because I'm used to being yellow.
That's it. I used to call it, when you were younger, when it was yellow, you used to call it,
The wibbly wobbly custard.
that's it. But now it's purple. And it was really strange, and it being made out of silicone.
I know. When we go back, it will then be decided which shell to go for.
That's it. And then talking through as well, what else will be done for the next few appointments.
I know. At least this will be now and done for the next couple of hours.
That's it, yes. But you've still got to be very careful.
Definitely.
I've said that we might get some swelling to that socket as well, haven't they?
I have. So we're walking back now and deciding what we're going to do.
That's it. Shall we see if we can get a table in 8th day?
Yes, please.
Okay, we're nearly there and we'll go in and have a look.
Just about to try the lentil and celeriac pie. Smells lovely.
It does.
Oh, that's delicious.
It is. You've got some of the potatoes, some broccoli and some cabbage and some gravy as well. And I've got the tagine.
Here is the tagine. Oh, it smells wonderful.
Really good. It's fennel, fig and olive tagine served with couscous.
Oh, wow. That's
Lots of
delicious.
Walk on glass. I will run 10,000 miles and more. I will give my eyes. If you're lost,
We really hope that you all enjoyed today's video. And we hope you all enjoyed coming along with us to Manchester for my appointment as well.
It's been really lovely to be able to take everyone along, just so people know more about different things that you have to go through.
Yep. Because of the gap in between the appointments, there will be a few more videos going up before the next one.
That's it. Maybe even a cooking video.
Oh, that'd be amazing to get back into the cooking videos.
And I've got an idea of what we might make.
Oh, and we're really looking forward to taking you all along with us to the next parts too.
That's it, because there's going to be another couple of appointments. One where they will be trying out to know which base they'll be using, if it's just acrylic like what you've had before, or because there has been quite a change with the surface and the microphthalmic eye, whether or not it will be one made from wax as well. So that's what we're going to find out in the next appointment. And then place them where the pupil will be. and getting everything ready for the colour match.
I know. It's now I've had the moulding. It's quite exciting.
This is the nice part, knowing that the moulding's done, and this now is the part ready for the colour match and then picking it up.
I know. We really hope that you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please subscribe. We'd love to have you on our journey. This time in the comments, we'd love to know if you enjoyed coming along with us or if you've ever had anything like this done.
I think they're great questions. It's always lovely to know if anyone's been through anything similar to you and how much everyone enjoys coming along with what we do and now sharing more about some of the appointments you attend.
Definitely sharing more of Angharads life.
Exactly.
We really can't wait to see you all here again next time.
Bye.
Take care.